The Ducati Monster has always been about emotion, but this new one feels completely different. Lighter, faster, more aggressive, and honestly, a little insane. The first thing this bike does well is presence. Everything about the monster looks aggressive. The compact body, exposed frame, sharp LED headlight. It looks expensive even standing still. And then you open the throttle. The 937cc built-in doesn't feel smooth or refined. It feels raw. The torque hits instantly. The front gets light and the exhaust notes sound absolutely addictive. What shocked me most is how light this bike feels. Older Ducatis used it to feel intimidating, but the new Monster feels compact, sharp, and playful. You can throw it into corners way harder than expected. Ducati also packed this thing with electronics. Traction control, wheelie control, riding modes, cornering ABS, quick shifter. But this bike definitely has attitude. It gets hot in traffic. Low speed riding can feel jerky. And it constantly wants to be ridden aggressively. This isn't a relaxed everyday commuter. The Monster is in the most practical naked bike, but few bikes feel this alive. Every ride feels dramatic. Every throttle input feels exciting. And in 2025, that emotional character is exactly what makes the Monster special.